Greenland's melting glaciers. Half face is a bottle and half face is Sean face. Hi guys, and welcome to a new episode on the channel. Today we will be talking about Greenland's melting glaciers. So let's get started. So why Greenland? And why are glaciers in Greenland? Well, if you ever looked at a map of the world, you might have seen Greenland as white, as being for its talking, as it being like those ice stuff. Icy ice has been going all over that place since like centuries ago. And once we find out about Greenland and how global warming is affecting the earth, we will find out that ice around the world is starting to melt because of global warming. There's a lot that can actually not be benefits for us. There are not benefits for us about this. Benefits have been good for us for life, but now benefits aren't coming to us nowadays. Melting of the ice means rising of the sea levels, which means like more water. And more water is bad for us in the oceans because, well, first of all, it'll cover more land and we will have less land. And secondly, we will not be able to have that much, we will not be having that much water anymore. Well, like if we will be able to easily mine the natural resources like oil, rubies, minerals, all that stuff. This is where it kind of gets starting to go creepy. A lot of time people start going out into the world and say that we might not be able to get into the real world, but we actually are in the real world. Greenland's melting glaciers. This is a fact that we actually do not want to accept. So let's just make that saying unacceptable by actually not accepting it at all and trying to change it. And even if we don't succeed, at least we tried. And we'll also add the consequences. Or we can just make more man-made islands, probably. Or we can just wait for more volcano eruptions to make new islands. But that'll actually take thousands of years to process. So actually, I would just rather say just save the whole land. Save the Arctic and Antarctic first. This is where I'll end this episode. I hope you enjoyed this episode as much as I did. If you want to learn more about Greenland's melting glaciers, then I would highly like you to start learning more about Greenland itself and the Arctic and Antarctic. I hope you enjoyed this episode as much as I did. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next episode. Shinhan out. Peace.